It's been a day of important meetings. The Prime Minister in Thimphu in Bhutan has been in touch with the Home Minister Amit Shah, who's been holding a top-level meeting with his security staff, and he has issued a very, very blunt message. He says the culprits will face the full wrath of India's agencies. That's the unqualified statement being put out by Amit Shah, the Home Minister of the country, Vishnu.
All right, very, very important meetings which have taken place this evening with the Union Home Secretary, the Director of the Intelligence Bureau, the Director of the General of the National Investigation Agency, the Commissioner of Delhi Police. And it's after that there is yet another message of resolve for India, a promise that those responsible for this horrific terror attack, they will be booked, they will be found, and they will be hunted down if required. India will not end this over here. Action will be taken.
But perhaps the most important message that came out today, the Home Minister hasn't said anything on video today, even though he visited the blast site yesterday. The biggest message and a national pledge came out from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is visiting Bhutan's capital, Thimphu. He's on an official visit there, and it is from there that the Prime Minister has issued an absolutely stern message, a message that harks back to something he said just a few months ago after the Pahalgam attack as well. I want to play out for you and our viewers, Vishnu, what the Prime Minister said after the Pahalgam attack 6 months ago and what he has said today. There are incredible similarities that a lot of people are already interpreting as a pledge for action. Listen in.
India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers. We will pursue them to the ends of the earth. India's spirit will never be broken by terrorism.
हमारी एजेंसियां इस षड्यंत्र की तह तक जाएगी। इसके पीछे के षड्यंत्रकारियों को बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। All those responsible will be brought to justice.